OnePlus is one of those rare companies which makes a big deal about its phone's color variants. And that's really true for good reasons. Starting from their very first smartphone, the OnePlus One, which had a unique sandstone texture back, the phone maker has consistently managed to impress with its choices of different materials and shades. This year too, OnePlus launched a bunch of options for the OnePlus 6, and today we'll be taking a closer look at what we think is the best OnePlus design yet. Coming up next on TechPP.com. Hey guys, this is Raju from TechPP, and in this video we will be unboxing and sharing our first impressions of the Silk White limited edition OnePlus 6 which goes on sale today. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell icon to be notified as soon as we post a new video. Right then, let's get into the unboxing. The box is similar to what you get with other variants, so let's just open it. On the top, as expected, we have the phone itself. The back is what we are concerned about. Let's put that aside for a second. Next up, we have the red envelope which contains the usual documentation, the SIM ejector pin and a transparent silicone case. At the bottom, there is a USB Type-C cable and of course the dash charger. Let's not waste time looking at the specifications. Here's the card to the unboxing which we did last month. Let's take a closer look at the Silk White OnePlus 6. Personally speaking, this is by far the best of the 4 variants of OnePlus 6. Okay, let me explain. The back is still made of glass but has a very different feel to it. When I first saw this during the launch in London, I wasn't able to decipher what exactly that special feel is about. Here is the thing. The back is smooth but not glossy. OnePlus claims that they have used actual sprinkling of pearl powder to create this subtle shimmering effect. You've got to hold this one to know what I'm trying to say. It doesn't feel anything like glass. It looks like pearl and feels like marble. It's insanely unique and premium at the same time. In essence, it's not really white but has a tinge of rose gold and pink when you view it in different angles. Talking about rose gold, OnePlus has gone with that color for the frame, buttons, accents around the camera, fingerprint sensor and the branding. I somehow don't think it's the best choice made, but yeah, the Silk White back steals all the attention, so I don't care much about the rest. As you would expect, the phone is slippery and no wonder OnePlus has thrown in a transparent case with the box. While it solves the issue of gripping, it's sad that you don't get to feel the glass back. If you are brave enough to use it bare, you should be happy to know that you don't need to worry about the fingerprint smudges, as is the case with both Mirror Black and the Avengers Special Edition's OnePlus 6. Those two look great from a distance, while one has to hold and feel the Silk White OnePlus 6 to appreciate it in full. This is even better than the matte black variant in keeping away the smudges. But I'm not that confident on how well it manages to keep away the dust and colors in long-term usage. The Sandstone White on the Star Wars edition of the OnePlus 5T last year was a disaster in terms of maintenance. I'm very sure this Silk White OnePlus 6 is definitely better than that, but how well it holds on remains to be seen. It's a shame that the Silk White OnePlus 6 is a limited edition phone. OnePlus says they are looking for the community feedback regarding this color variant and will stick on with this for the future products if the reception is positive. So yeah, here is my vote OnePlus. I'm all in for this one, at least for now. If you're looking for a detailed review of the OnePlus 6, here is a card with the link to the article on TechPP.com. The OnePlus 6 Silk Edition is now available for a price of Rs 39,999 in India and $579 in the US. Link to buy is in the description below. That's it for this video guys. Do hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and until the next time, may the tech be with you.